Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at a program in which it prints the multiplication tables of whichever numbers the user enters. So, for example, if the user enters 3, then if the user enters 2 after that, then it'll do 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. If the user enters 3 and 10, then it's gonna do 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and so on until 3 times 10 is 30. So here we go. Here you can see another program. At the top, as usual, is what we're going to do today, then the rules, and lastly the program. Today we'll be looking at a program in which it prints the multiplication tables. So the user enters what number they'd like to do the tables till. So from 1 to what number, and which number they'd want to do it for. So for example, if here I say 3, so I want the timetables of 3, but sorry about that. So I want the timetables of 3, and I want it from 3 times 1, 3 times 2 to 3 times 10, say. So I say 10 here. Then it does from 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, so on till 3 times 10. Same thing if I do it till 100, 300. And if I say 103, so it works for any numbers. And if I say a negative number here, for example, negative 8, if I say I want it twice, then it's going to get negative 16. Because negative 8 times negative 2, because I want it 2 times, is negative 16. So here what I've done is I've set number is equal to whichever number the timetable should be for. So if I say 3, then if I want from 1 to 50, then if I say count is equal to 1, print the multiplication table of number, which is 3 currently. So while count is smaller or equal to n if you remember is 50 right now, print number, then this x is here because I'm trying to show that it's multiplying, so times, then count, so the counter right here, then equal to, then number times count. Then it will print that result. Then I'm saying count plus equal to 1. Now, to make more sense, we can just say same thing. So now when I run this, it works. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. And if same thing I say this multiplication sign here, then if I say 3 and 3, then it says times like that. But because normally this x is more used, that's why I put this x here. And here I'm using a while loop, so I'm saying that if count is smaller than or equal to n. So equal to, for example, if I have a situation where I say 6, and if I say 1, then because it's equal to, that's why it's still saying that it goes to, that's why it still goes to the print and the count. Because if I take this equal to away, then if I say this, then it won't print anything. Because I've only said that if it's smaller, then only go inside. But if it's equal to, I haven't said anything. Sorry about that. Right.